So, folks, she's just 7 years old. I can't believe that she's 7 years old, but when I heard her play the pan, I couldn't believe she's just 7 years old. But she's a pro on the steel pan. Leanna Brown is with me now. Leanna, well, let me come down closer to you. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good.
It is so good to meet you. When did you learn to play the steel pan?
I started learning to play the steel pan this year in March.
This year?
Yes.
And you do so well already? So sir is a good teacher, don't?
Yes, he is.
Why the steel pan? Did they ask you to, I say, I like how it look, why you want to play the steel pan?
Because I liked how it sound.
Wow. So you heard it before you started to play it? You heard someone else play it?
Yes. When sir was teaching me, he played it for me, and when I heard, I didn't want to stop playing.
Wow. But you play another instrument, don't you?
Yes, I do.
What else you play?
I play the keyboard.
The keyboard? Which one you're better at, this or the keyboard?
That one.
That one? But you're going to keep playing the keyboard?
Yes, I am.
Ah, you're at St. Richard's Primary?
I go to the schools. I attend the school, St. Richard's Primary School.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Math, Leanna? Well, Leanna, I have to sit down for that one. Math?
Yes.
That means you're very, very bright. Unlike Uncle Neville. Uncle Neville is not so bright enough, but you are very, very bright. So, you're going to play this when you get big and everything? Or you're going to leave this out and become a doctor or somebody? What you going to do?
Well, I'm going to continue playing it until I get a job.
Until you get a job? What kind of job you want?
I want to be a marine biologist.
You want to be a marine biologist?
Yes, I do.
No, Leanna, no, sir. You show up Uncle Neville, you know. Uncle Neville can't manage these things. And you're laughing at me too, so me have a crying, Leanna. It is so good to meet you, though.
Thank you.
And you can play anything on the pan, or you're still learning? Sir still teaching you, or no, you're an expert? You don't need the sir to teach you anymore?
I only know 3 songs on the pan.
You know 3 songs?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you going to play another one for us now?
Yes, I am.
Which one are you going to play?
I'm going to play Land of My Birth.
Land of My Birth. And you were born in Jamaica, right? So you're
Yes,
about
I
Jamaica.
was.
I love you.
Oh,
Here's Leanna Brown, Land of My Birth. Leanna, you have to go help me up, you know, because I can't move there now. Eh? I can't move. You have to come back, come pull me up. Let's hear from Leanna Brown. She's so sweet. Land of My Birth. Oh, man. Fantastic. By the way, you could teach Uncle Neville how to play that? You can teach me? All right, show me one single note. Let me put it down. Show me one single note. What I must do. Wait. clap me. Thank you very much. All right, Leanna Brown, fantastic. All right, so after I got that lesson, after the break, I'll be playing a song. A joke. The skinny chef shares his emancipendence meal ideas, and that's not me, by the way. Delia will have that one. Soon come.